boy.
¿Eh?
Unos trotes.
¿Sí? ¿Se escuchan?
Sí.
Vamos a ver. Damn boy, guys, so we made it to the track. Ahí está el compa Flaco that he's gonna help us tuning. Hopefully, if he has time, he'll do it. Si no, pues a ver qué hace. Anda con la Jenny 69, vale.
Dime, boy. Mira.
Deme, boy. ¿Qué dice Flaco? ¿Cómo andamos? ¿Qué andamos? ¿Qué andas haciendo tú aquí? Mira, güey, este mugrero, güey. ¿Qué onda, Cascona?
Siempre
las
humillaciones, güey. Nomás compran Lamborghini y se creen bien verga, güey. Chingada.
¿Qué es esto, vale? Nada, ¿qué te crees? ¿Cómo está corriendo, güey?
Apenas vamos a un pase.
¿Sí? ¿Está jalando rompemadres o no?
Está bajando bien.
A la verga, chingo de gente, güey. ¿Ahora por qué o qué? ¿Es track bueno?
¿Todos te quieren partir culo el sábado?
No, hombre, ¿yo por
Ni
qué?
siquiera
Yo no hice
te
nada. A ver, ¿qué trae nada? A ver.
Para la cobra. Hay queso de agua que trae.
Llegué a la mera hora.
¿Cuándo has andado conmigo y no hay papa?
Eso sí,
Ok.
siempre trae comida este güey.
¡Pase de verga!
Oye.
Hot spicy chicken sandwich.
Dime, boy, guys, aquí anda. Ah, Wicho Vlogs, anda haciendo vlog.
Gracias a mi padre Dios, aquí andamos grabando, que el sol sale para todo. ¿Quieres una hot spicy?
Sí, güey. Sí, corrió bien, sí está corriendo bien.
No, yo voy llegando. No sé.
Pues, guys, pues a ver qué pasa.
Sí.
Era Martín. ¿Qué andas haciendo ahí?
Checándole el aceite.
Guys, we brought the green machine. So as you guys know, we just finished, well, Vargas just finished putting in the motor. Now it's time to get Flaco to tune it. You think it's gonna run good?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we also got Triple P in the mix. You already know he's over here tuning Jenny 69. There looks like there's a lot of trucks out here getting tuned up. So tuning and testing and everything, getting ready for this weekend is gonna go down.
Dime, boy.
¿Va a jalar, vale o no?
Yes, sir.
¿No prende, morro o qué?
No quisimos meter mucho vato y adentro hace mucho ruido.
Ah, ok. A ver, ahorita que le ponga la sauce. What you about to do?
Nothing, we're just logging it. I'm gonna do like a 60-foot hit, then let go.
Vamos a ver cómo se va la Jenny.
Slow. El sábado lo mojala.
So guys, the transfer case is not working, right? That's what's going on.
Valió verga, mira, chécale. I don't think it's a transfer case. I think it's something with the. Now that I made it Harley, we took out the stock ECU. Pero ahí está la computadora todavía puesta, pero I guess something's no quiere jalar, mira. The two, mira, ¿sí ves?
Oh,
Está
yeah.
blinking, mira.
Como si tuviera shifting todavía.
Mira. Era un shift too.
Yeah. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna put a manual one.
Yeah, we're gonna put a manual one, sponsored by Freddy.
He's gonna go pick it up from the shop, from the parts truck.
Yes, sir.
Pero como quiera va a ser un pase ahorita. Vamos a ver cómo corre esta mamalona. No vayas a, que no vaya a pasar algo, Alex, ¿eh? ¿Sí me dejan andar aquí o no?
¿Qué?
Es un yonke, güey.
¿La mía?
Oh, yeah. Como,
Es el mofle. Es el mofle. I think.
¿Qué va a correr esta, Alex?
Nah, eso no es slow. Voy yo.
Guys, I never been inside a truck with somebody else driving. Ya no prendió la verga. Ah, no sé. Alex. Le das tronco a la verga, que levante todo lo que trae los ponis, que saque todos los ponis. Súbela, güey, mi ventana. Sube mi ventana. Prepárate, preparation.
Agárrate toda la verga.
Vete a la verga, ¿para qué te pones casco, güey? Yo no traigo.
Por panochón.
Ah, no quiere dejarlo. Déjame abajo. ¿Cómo ves, Wicho?
Algo bien.
Como que si trae con queso los pinches quesadillas. Guys, so me bajaron de la Triple P because I guess I didn't have a helmet. Pero ya vamos a empezar with the green machine. We're gonna do a little test burnout.
Deme, pa.
Flaco le va a meter la sauce. A la verga, andan bien agrupados. Panacheo.
Se me perdió el asador. Yo no tengo asador.
¿Van a hacer panacheo o qué, Beto?
No, ¿cómo? Venimos a ver.
No, ¿van a hacer colado?
No. Everybody's too fast today.
¿Cómo andan haciendo? You ready for this weekend o qué?
Hope to see everybody tomorrow at the final shootout, which is going down at Houston Raceway Park. Get your tickets online, and if you don't get a ticket, you can still get your entries at the gate.
At the gate.
We're gonna be doing some burnouts.
¿Para eso la trajera?
Oh, para
que le mueva
I
flaco.
thought you were actually running it.
No, hombre, qué chingado.
So, I hope to see everybody tomorrow. It's going down, burnouts, racing. I mean, a little bit of everything. Don't miss out. The weather's looking pretty good. My boy Frey's gonna be out there putting
That's
some nice
right.
numbers,
That's
fucking
right.
shit up like we usually do.
We gonna go to win.
No, hey, it's cool, you know. You know.
Well, you don't go to lose.
No,
you gotta win.
So sometimes people take it the wrong way when we talk a lot, you know. But it's just part of the game. That's everybody wants to be the best. You know what I'm saying?
Este
You know?
anda bien, que va a andar bien caliente, que
ni
watch out.
verga.
Ya no me digo esto.
Beto,
Ya dijiste
nomás,
nada.
dile lo que te dije ayer.
Dijo, I'm gonna call you first round para irme temprano a la casa.
Para que sepan a la verga.
Ya hasta me va a ir a desarmar mi truck que tengo allá, güey, para poder arreglar esta, güey.
¿Cuál? ¿Tienes una ya o
Una
qué?
4x4.
Se chingó el chamber case.
¿Ahorita?
With the push button.
Oh.
Está joteando, so I'm gonna put a manual one on it.
That's what I did to Crawfish. Crawfish was button y
La cambiaste.
la puse acá.
Pues a ver qué pasa. Es
Pero lo bueno que
Saturday.
estamos donde
Sí.
va a jalar la troca.
Sí,
¿Me entiendes?
eso.
We're gonna get it straightened
¿Lo
out.
jaló?
No, está jalando.
Oh, está jalando. So, él lo trae.
I'm running on two-wheel drive.
Oh.
Yeah, we're just getting some data logs.
There you go. So, everybody, tomorrow it's going down. Pull up.
That's right.
Nah, I'm happy your truck went good. It's bad. You deserve it.
No culé. ¿Qué le
Oh, we're
dijiste?
gonna run it. Yeah, we're gonna run it. Yeah, we
Your trace for April Shootout, Patoja, La Guinda,
Este vato está haciendo pura escala solo, güey.
contra Frank.
aguante, vato, güey.
¿Quieres que hable o me cae el hocico?
Dale, anda.
¿Sí? La troca blanca tuya, la Ford con la de Juan, la naranjada.
No. Damn it, boy, guys. So it's the next day. We got everybody out here busting ass. Look at that. Except Elmer Boy. Elmer Boy's just chilling. But check it out. Pit Stop LLC getting the rides cleaned up for the show, especially since today we're having the meet here at Park Toy Garage. And yeah, guys, we gotta go deliver all the cars at the show for tomorrow for April Shootout. And by the time you guys are watching this video, we're at the show. So make sure you guys pull up because it's gonna be an all time of the night. Everybody check it out. Everybody coming through. That one's gonna be in the burnout pit. La OG. We're taking the OG clone, so whoever wants to check it out and see it in person, guys, it's gonna be a badass show. Let's go, let's get it. Mira, enverguiza.
Let's go.
Guys, we're about to head over to go set up. Those are Cali. Now on Saturday, guys, it's gonna be hectic to get in. So you guys, if this is your first time coming, you either come late or you come real early. Because if you get there in between, it's packed. If you're watching this while you're at the show, go to the booth and go pick up your products or merch. And we also have the giveaway truck right there. So you guys can go over there, check out the giveaway truck, and buy the merch so you guys can get entries for the giveaway. And eventually, we are gonna be running the 4x4 class right there at the show. OG might be taking a break. We do have the green machine inside the trailer that's gonna do a badass show in the burnout pit. And we're gonna be taking the Lambo. We're gonna take the giveaway, like I said, both of the dualies. And yeah, it's gonna be an all time of the night. Ahorita nos vamos, guys. I know this is a short video, but guys, we're trying to put videos every single day. A lot of people were asking for videos every single day. We could have skipped today, probably tomorrow, and then post the show, but we're just trying to make content for you guys so you guys can have something to watch. And yeah, so let's go. Ahora sí, ya nos vamos.